Welcome to the Innovation Lab Roadcaster 2 Pro tutorial. I am going to be talking about how to use the podcast equipment. To turn it on, you long press the red button at the back. It is going to light up like this and immediately pick up sound, which you will see with the green on the screen. Now you can start recording. Ideally, the volume should be in the green zone. To adjust the volume levels, you move these silver volume controllers like so. It should be on this thick white bar here. However, if you have a really low voice and you don't think it will reach the red zone, you can increase it a bit more. You can also adjust the headphone volume levels that you are listening to in real time, although this would not adjust the volume levels of the microphone, which is the volume levels of the actual clip you will be exporting. It would just adjust the volume levels of the headphones while you're recording. The special effects button are these colorful ones on the right, and based on what you click, you'll get the desired sound. There are a few sounds like applause, whatnot. Here, as you can see, I'm trying to adjust the volume levels of the microphones. Now, with recording your podcast, you need to make sure that you are comfortable, you are in the right space, and the microphone is a good distance from you. First of all, adjust the microphone to be a suitable position from you. You must make sure you're not too far and not too close to the microphone. You can use your hand to measure that, and then when you are in the right position, you can record. To record, it's quite easy. You click once to start recording, you short press to pause, and it's really easy, really basic. You'll figure it out in a second. However, there are instructions there on the screen that will aid you in knowing how to record better. You long press to stop recording. After that, you can record anything you want. You can record with anybody you want. You can record alone. You can record with other people. Make sure to have fun because this is a podcast. So yeah. Going into transfer mode, that's the really important one. There are 3 ways to do this. The first one is to transfer directly from the podcast equipment straight into your laptop. If your laptop has a Type-C connection, you can connect it directly to the podcast equipment, and then you can click on transfer mode on the podcast screen. This will easily take you to a point where you could just transfer straight from your laptop. The second method is to eject the micro SD card from the podcast machine, and when you do that, you can either insert it into an SD card reader and plug the SD card reader into your laptop, or you can insert the card directly into your laptop if your laptop has a micro SD card slot. Transferring your files through whichever method that works best for you, you can insert the SD card back, or you can safely remove the cord and power it off. Powering off is really easy. You just long press the red button. It shows, are you sure you want to turn off this device? And then you say, yes, I am sure. And that's it, folks. That is how you use the Roadcaster Pro 2. Thank you, and feel free to reach out to the Innovation Lab for anything. Thank you.